Welcome or welcome back to the Queen's Life Beauty channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you like my content. My daughter Emerald is in the chair today. She's going to be getting a lock retwist, and the method I'm going to be using is interlocking. She's had them for 2 years, so yes, she does have some locks I'm going to be repairing as well. I want you to go ahead and continue to watch the process, and I'm going to show you the final look at the end of the video. Enjoy. After completing Emerald's lock retwist using the interlocking method, I went ahead and put her under a warm hooded dryer for about 10 minutes just to get the wetness off of her locks. We had just shampooed them prior to her service. And this is the final look. Her locks are really healthy. I did have to go in and do some repairs. She had some loose hair, so yes, you saw me doing some double strand twists. I want to welcome the newest member to the channel, my daughter's fur baby right here. This is Zola. She's so nice and friendly, you guys. All right, and until next time, I want you to have a great day and a blessed week ahead.